Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In today's video, I am going to share some really amazing iPhone tips and tricks which iPhone users must know. So let's start the video with the first one, which is selecting messages, notes or any other text on your screen. Usually you will select any messages or notes one by one by tap and hold option, but I have an easy trick for you. You can simply select all the text on your screen by swiping two fingers downward on your screen. And if you want to unselect, you can do the opposite. Now the second trick is going back to the top of the page. For example, if you are in your gallery and you scroll down to the bottom of the page and now you want to go at the top of the page, just click on the battery icon and it will scroll up automatically to the top of the page. This trick works on all the long pages. You can go back to the top anytime with just one click. Now the third one is a very useful trick. If you want to check the level or the balance of the surface, just open your Measure app on your iPhone, and through this application you can easily check if the surface is plane or not. And you can also do other amazing stuff with this application like measuring the distance. Now the fourth one is taking a long screenshot. If you are viewing a website with a very long page and you want to take a screenshot of this whole page, then simply take a screenshot and tap on full page. And here you can adjust your screenshot accordingly. Now the fifth one is about the flashlight. If you turn on the back tap option on your iPhone, you can simply switch on and off the flashlight by double tapping on the back of your iPhone. To switch on this option, you just have to go to accessibility, then scroll down to back tap option, and from there you can turn on this option. Six and the last one is about the guided access on your iPhone. If you give your phone to someone and you don't want them to wiggle around and see other stuff on your phone, you can simply lock them in one screen. You can simply tap 3 times on the power button and guided access will be activated. Now the person will only see the screen which is open to them and they cannot move around. To switch on this option, go to accessibility settings, tap on guided access and turn this feature on. So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video. Do follow for more interesting videos and I will see you in the next one.